Hello everyone. A cold front is currently moving away from the east coast of the country, and this system was also responsible for bringing some light rain to the south coast earlier in the day, but that area has been clearing out. Along the east coast, on the other hand, there's a very good flow of southerly moisture coming in. That's pushed in some cloud cover over parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape. We still expect more cloud overnight. Up in the north, it was a very warm day, hot in fact for Limpopo, where temperatures got well above 30 degrees for some areas. For tonight, mostly cloudy weather over the eastern parts where there's still a possibility for light rain, and we also expect some thicker cloud to hang around over the southern parts of the Western Cape this evening. The central interior is going to be mostly clear and quite cold, and that includes parts of the northern and eastern Cape. Let's take a look at tomorrow's weather conditions, and we're expecting it to be a fairly cloudy start to the day in the far east, but that will start clearing out from mid-morning onwards, and by afternoon it will be partly cloudy into the Lowveld. Over the south coast, a weak low pressure system develops. That's going to push in some moisture over that area. Some light rain will be returning to some areas along the Garden Route as well. In the afternoon, partly cloudy for the Free State, a few isolated thunder showers for the northern parts of that province, and later on in the day towards evening, a few thunder showers will start drifting into parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well. But for tonight, we don't expect any thunder activity, only light rain confined to the eastern parts of South Africa, mainly along the coastline. But overnight, light rain starts pushing inland over KwaZulu-Natal, as well as up the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga and later on towards Limpopo as well. That drizzle lasting into the early hours of tomorrow as well. We can see the airflow that brings in the moisture extending up into the Lowveld. Southerly to southeasterly winds always brings in a bit of moist air to that area, and that also results in the drizzle overnight along the mountains. And as we head into tomorrow afternoon, winds pick up through the central interior. At the moment, we expect wind speeds to get between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour for the northwest, Gauteng, Mpumalanga's Highvelds, the Free State, as well as parts of the Karoo. Quick check of your minimum temperatures, and as mentioned, it's going to be cold for parts of the central and western interior, mild in the northeastern parts, Polokwane at 11, Bombela 14, and we see temperatures in the mid-teens for both Durban and Richards Bay. Tomorrow afternoon brings very warm weather to parts of the northern interior, including Gauteng in the northwest. Mahikeng, you climb to 29 degrees, remaining cool in the southwestern parts of the country, and there is a slight recovery for KZN and the Eastern Cape, warming by a couple of degrees once again. Friday brings showers and thunderstorms to parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Bombela, you're also in with a chance, while it's going to be a dry day in Gauteng. And Saturday is expected to be dry for just about all of South Africa, although there could be a few drops of rain for Richards Bay.